I'm David Berlin. I'm one of the organizers of Cloud Connect, and you really can't organize an event about cloud computing unless you're practicing what you're preaching. And at every one of my events, I always talk about how I started a company at the beginning of 2006 with my partner Doug Gold, and it was the fact that we decided to start off by doing all of our computing in the cloud that led to our agility, our ability to launch events in new markets very quickly, and eventually get our company sold, which is always a really good outcome whenever you're starting a company up. The way we did that was we picked primarily Google Apps to do it. So we used Gmail, we used the Google Apps, we set up our own account for Mass Events Labs, our company, we used the mail, we used the documents, we used the spreadsheet, we used all of that, and it allowed me and my partner, Doug Gold, to really very easily collaborate, get all of our IT up and running in a very short period of time. In fact, just about a week we were up and running, which gave us the rest of about 5 weeks to start our first event, which was in February of 2006. So it was really the fact that we used cloud computing, were able to get up and running so quickly, that enabled us to get our event off the ground and make it very successful, eventually leading up to a very successful business. Because of that first event success, other companies wanted to do business with us, and then we went further into cloud using Salesforce.com as the basis of our registration systems. We did everything in the cloud. We did our documents, we did our spreadsheets, we did our email, we did our registration system all in the cloud. We never once installed any servers, any IT in any data center or any co-location center. Great startup story. It's really evidence of us practicing what we preach, and it ended in a way that I could never have predicted with basically the acquisition of our company. So that's our story about how cloud computing enabled us to be very successful.